Hey guys, welcome to Reviewer Family. We received this product to test and try. Let's explore together so it helps in your buying decision.
So this is the final product, the ice balls that we get from this ice ball making machine. So let me just explore and show it to you. They are the great 2 inches ice ball from SOZT. So let's just get started. So this one is the box where like this product came, is properly packed, so no issues with that. So let me just take this out. From the side you can see the air blower, or like the water inlet and outlet. You can put it permanent inlet outlet pipes. This is the front, so you have to just get all the accessories and things from it, so you can easily take this out. So this have the pipes that supplies the water, so you can have permanent water inlet and outlet from the back side, or you can also put the water inside in the tray. So like the manual water or the automatic water supply. So here I'm doing this the water supply. So here you can add in the water manually and then put in the tray with this rubber thing, silicone. And this have the inbuilt light and the touchscreen button, glassy look. So you can see that looks really nice, like the glassy look. So, and this produce are 2-inch large crystal clear ice balls which are slow melting and perfect for the drinks. So dual water supply option as I mentioned, and also like have a large ice storage bucket that I showed you, so you can easily see that. So here you can see like the ice balls start making up, and slowly it's dropping inside. So two balls are there, and so slowly so third ball comes up. So you can see here, so one by one they are collecting, so it can goes up to 56 pieces that can store in it, and around 1.6 liter of the manual input of the water. So this is a one touch self cleaning as I mentioned, and the bottom drain plug that you can use, and also it have a tray that for the external water. So this is a great one touch ice making, ice full alerts, and the water shortage alerts. So here is the ball that comes out from it. So see like how clearly this makes like a really large 2 inches ball, which is great for the drink cups or the mugs. And then you can easily put in the water and the drink. So because they are the balls, so they are slow melting, so it gives a really nice look and the intensity or the flavor. So great for the drinks, and great for the countertop size thing. It can fit really nice on the countertop, and then easy to clean as well. So very nice ice ball making machine. I will really prefer it if you want ice ball for your drinks and you want to make consistent ice balls. It's 2 inches size.